This is an old fence which has been blown on by a couple of hurricanes, and recently we had a tornado come through. Didn't destroy any houses or anything, but it was a lot of wind, and it's time to replace it. We're not going to replace it with the same style. It's going to be more like this, square tubing, and I'll get to the back of it in a minute. I'm going to remove this, and we got to dig all this out, dig for 2 poles, 3 poles, and I need to get this done today, because this took 2 days, and we just recently had a big storm, and it held me up. We got everything all wet. So yeah, let me get started. I had to take a sawzall and cut the roots of the tree, this magnolia tree. Had to cut it all back, all the way to here, and then made all these brackets, welded everything, and that's what we're going to do here, ×3. Pick up our trash along the way. So yeah, project of the day. Alright, not sure when the camera shut off, but had to change the battery. Close up on the handiwork right there. The pole's nice and square, nice and plumb, both ways. Just using a string line to the back of the poles, walking it out just a little bit, and this pole is going to end up right where the old pole was. And it's kind of a blessing because now I don't have to dig so much, and you can see all the water in there. That's why I just poured the concrete down in the hole. It's got plenty of water down in there. So now I gotta get this pole set. I got one more to set in the corner there. I don't know how far it needs to be yet though. That's why I'm doing it one at a time like this, because I want them a certain distance. But yeah, I'm gonna get back on it. I gotta get this closed up so my dog don't get out. Fix my post hole digger. see if we can get that done real quick. Just to duplicate these holes here. Create hole. Put that now, line the hole up. Bust that one through. Good as new. I also had to weld on an old shovel because it was all rusted. Yeah, just fixed what I got. $39 for a new one. So, and it's just gonna do the same thing. So we'll use it, abuse it. I did a little cleanup, trenched this out, and got this clamp on here, trying to give me a height. I put a board in, cut it to length, and I got it level, marked both sides with a grinder. And now I'm just gonna grind this clean, measure it, put my magnet to hold the bracket on. Same thing on the other side. Get those welded in, and I can get that mud board in place. And then from there, it's pretty easy just to get everything else measured off of that, and then get all that welded on, and start throwing the fence. I gotta paint it too. I gotta paint all those poles. But once I get this stuff welded on, I'll paint everything. But let's get that going. Enough talk. That's better. That's better. I guess the machine's got to warm up a little bit or something. Like I'm gonna be a grounder. That's terrible. Let's turn my feed down a little bit. Apparently I hit the dial. Hopefully that's the ugliest one today. And I went and ground it up. My next spots that I need to put stuff on. And just another bracket. Gonna hold 2x4s. Just want everything on the back side to be a little uniform. So that's just me. Let me clean it up so it welds better. So, getting ready to mark out right here so I can grind all that clean and just weld these on the back side. Got it level, so that's where it's going to go. All right, got it all welded up finally. All the brackets are on. Just got to stain this a little bit and paint it. But we got this all, I've been painting in between the welder cooling down. And as soon as that dries in a little bit, I'm gonna start doing the mud boards, getting them done. And then everything else goes kind of fast. Got a trimmer board down to fit that. Was trying not to have to do that, but you know, me and math don't get along. Same thing right here. You can always just overlap it a little bit or something. But now I'm gonna cut it down or rip it down and make it fit. And then boom, I just got this. And I'll attach that for temporary, because all this has got to get done. Not like this though, just regular wood fencing. But yeah, I got caps for the top to finish it off. One day, started this morning, 8 o'clock. Welding, digging, setting posts. Went ahead and dug that out. Yeah. Check my level. Here's the aftermath with dirt everywhere. Truck full of junk. Crap everywhere. The weather's changed. It's cold and cloudy. Got a few more fence bolts to put on. I will straighten up back here. Alright, we're back out here a couple days later after the epic one-day fence build. Tell me what you think. Do you think it's going to hold up in hurricane force winds? I don't know. I just kind of threw this together thinking it would. Also, to finalize this corner, I built this simple gate, threw some fence boards together, threw some hinges on it. I'm going to weld it in the corner here just to finish this corner off. And so you ain't got to look at all this ugly. And before I do that, I'm gonna weld on another mud bracket, and then I'll be completely finished with this part of the build. So just eyeballing this one. Disappearing for a minute. It'll shrink some, so all that good. It's actually kind of perfectly level. It's raining now. I'm going to put a pin down. I can shade that, you know, make it fit as long as it's kind of that. I've got to remove it. I'm just cut it, grind it off. But that's, you know, this is going to be good for 10 years. Not a problem. That's it for that. Call that a wrap. We'll clean all this out and we go to do the rest of this fence. And yeah. Come on guys, let me get out of here. It's trying to rain on me. Oh, y'all woke up. Yeah. This is what it looks like. Finished product. Cleaned up all this here. Just kind of leveled it out most I could. It's still all damp and clumpy. Like I said, I got rain coming.